Best Buy and buy this awesome Lego set. We're gonna open it at home. And my grandpa gave me the money to buy it. It's $50. I know what you're thinking. Huh?
That's 70.
Yeah, he gave me $20 more. I know what you're thinking. What? What in the world? It's $50? I know. So I'm gonna show you which aisle I got it from. We're in Best Buy, by the way. Come on, let's go. I got it from this aisle. As you can see, oh, Best Buy. Come on. I got it from this aisle. The video game aisle. There's toys too. Okay, we're gonna skip this line because there's lots of people. We go to this line. What, the Zelda? And then we go here. That's ready. And then I got it from this aisle. When I first saw this, I was like, oh, I want to get it, but I changed my mind, so I went to this aisle. And this is where I got these toys. So I'm gonna wait for them to go because they need to. And then it's over here. Okay, guys, I got it from this aisle. See, it's $50. And then look, there's another pack. I was just about to get this one.
That one?
Yeah, I was just about to get it, but I wouldn't. And you know what else I could get? I could get this, you know why? $24. You have $4, right?
No, then nag-exceed ka na.
Okay, fine. Let's go. Yeah, and then that's where I got it.
Okay, let's go. Pay mo na.
And did you know where I bought some free Pokemon packs? I was like, should I buy this or not? And I left it here, I think. Oh yeah, it's over here. I left it here at this bottom shelf.
Ba't mo nilagay?
I don't know. And then people will think, what, this is $12? I'm not gonna buy that. So I'm gonna get them because I have $20.
Kukunin mo pa yan? May usapan na tayo. I see.
Wag na, be. Wag na. Wag na.
Sabi mo yan na lang.
There's Doolittle. Okay, guys, let's go pay this now. Come on, let's go, guys. Come on. Here's my grandma. Grandma, say hi.
$40, $56. So give 70. Wow! Uy.
Okay, I'm gonna get my other my change. I'm gonna get my change. Guys. Ooh, $10.
What you got?
$10 and like thank you. I need a bag. I got here's the receipt and then I got like $10, 11, 3, $13.
Yeah.
And is this 25 cents?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, I don't know how much I got. And did two of them fall? Oh yeah, both of them.
Okay, here na kuya.
Okay, thank you. Oh, no.
Lagay mo sa bulsa mo kasi.
Okay, fine. I don't have a big set. That's what I do.
Yeah, please. Put in the big bag, Kyrie. Thank you.
Okay, I need to take, I'm gonna put this receipt. You can take it, Mommy.
Come.
Okay, guys, so now we're gonna go back home. Hey guys, it's me, KG132. This is Delta TV, and as you remember, you bought this awesome Lego at Best Buy. It's over there behind you. Happy dance! Papa, your turn. Beat that. Beat that. Your turn. Delta TV, as you can see, we've already got our hoverboard and our Lego. As you remember, we bought it from Best Buy. And my little brother has his own little ball for Best
Show.
Let's put the butt bike in the back.
Here, come over this way a little bit.
3, 2, 1. Cheers. Your first beer.
There you go. Thank you.
Mama.
Hey guys, it's me, KG133. This is Delica TV, yay! And as you remember, we went to Best Buy and, yeah, let's just skip that word. And then, as you remember, we bought this Lego that's $70, as you could remember. And they said it was $50. But we forgot, but we didn't know it was actually $70. Okay, so we're gonna open it. Where should we open it? Over here, I think, at the bottom. No, actually up this side. And then I'm gonna open it. Oh, I need help. Oh, I just flopped it. I am breaking this box because it's so hard to open. Okay, guys. Okay. Oh my, so many pieces. There's a tire. Okay, as you can see, there's so many pieces. These tires are gonna be stacked up. Okay, I'm gonna get the guidance. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna open this. So in pack 1, we're gonna do the motorcycle. So where's pack 1? Here it is, pack 1. Okay, then we're gonna open this. But yeah, you could actually get this game on your phone or tablet. It's called Lego Haunted Side. It's on the app, as you can see if you download the game. Picture of a kid downloading the game. Yeah, these are what you could do. You can detectify ghosts, and then you could like, yeah, I think I played this game already. Okay. Guys, my mom is gonna edit this part because she had to stop what we were making earlier because she thought it looked bad. So now we are gonna put the things, guys. It's me, KG133. This is Delica TV. Oops. No, it's this.
Okay, go.
And as you remember, we went to not Dollarama. We went to Best Buy and Canadian Tire buy things like my new hoverboard. And remember, I bought this Lego. So it took me 2 hours to make my finishing product.
Show them, show.
So we got the care. So we got this car. There's a blaster that trapped the ghost. Here's a camera to picture them. Here's a little ghost dog. Here is the ammo so they could trap the ghost. I'm gonna take it off so you can see all of the ammo. Alright, I just broke
Okay,
that.
that's fine.
Okay, we got pink, blue, yellow, and black.